best in YouTube, J88 Fitness, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn these into a delicious, low-calorie, high-fiber snack. Come on!
Here we go!
Alright, these kernels are simply these in a jar, and these kernels have those nutrition facts. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this microwave bowl that I got off of Amazon for about $8, and I'm going to put 4 tablespoons in there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then all I have to do is put the lid on it, and we're going to put it in the microwave. And in the microwave we go. And we're going 333 and start. Alright, we are done. Just finished up my homemade 7-Up that I made. If you missed that video, check it out on my channel. In the end, we have this huge bowl of popcorn, just over 150 calories, tons of fiber, and this is going to be such a great snack. Hey, thanks for watching. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my videos. You're a star. The best days are ahead of you. God bless.